Now I will be explaining the fourth program of the IPCC component of the Python programming lab. So it's a bit crucial to understand the dictionary part here. So they have been asked to develop a Python program to print 10 most frequently appearing words in a text file. So here we have to create a text file with some content separated by the spaces, and they have given a hint here that to use a dictionary with distinct words and their frequency of occurrences. Sort the dictionary in the reverse order. They have asked us to sort the dictionary in the reverse order of the frequency and display the dictionary slice of the 10 words first items. So it means we have to list all the elements of the dictionary in the reverse order for the first 10 items. So here I have created a text file sample.txt within the same folder. You can check the directory here. In the downloads I have a Python lab folder. Within that I have a 4a.py. Within the same thing I have created a sample.txt. I'll show the sample.txt with the fruit names, apple, banana, all those things. You can include as many as you want. So I have used, we'll just directly go on to the program. So here we have to open the same file sample.txt with open keyword, which will open the file .read. Read is a method which will read all the contents at once of the same file .txt and .lower. It will read line by line and then it will convert to lowercase. So each of the item within this .txt file, for example, if it has capital A apple and small lowercase a apple, will be treated as same. So you don't have to worry about that. It's just a use case. We have to handle all those things. So, and if it is not the case, we have not included .lower, then this will be considered as a different entity. So here we have opened the same file, we have we have read the content, we have converted to lowercase, and we have to save to text, then word. Here we have to split all the items within the text file into a list. Text.split. Split is a built-in method which will just take each element from the text or from the sample.txt, and it will convert to a list of items. So next what we have to create a dictionary. freq is an empty dictionary. This specifies that, curly braces specifies that we have created a dictionary. Then freq is a dictionary, empty dictionary, and dictionary will be in key value pair. Then we have to traverse the dictionary item, and then we have to add those elements. We have to traverse through word first. Word is a list of all the letters or all the entity from .txt. So what is there in this? For w is an iterative variable in the sequence. What is the sequence? A list of all the items within that text file which we have taken from text.split, and then within that freq is what? An empty dictionary. .get is a method which will get each element, and this is what it's called. So here we are taking that w means for the first instance it will be first letter from this first element. For example, it is apple. If .get is if apple is present, it will just increment to 1. The count will be incremented to 1. If it is not, it will just give to 0. So that within that freq of apple will be the count of this number. So this will output this one. freq of apple will be 1. Then it will be added to this dictionary. Then what we have to sort the top 10, and then here we have used sorted built-in function. .sort and .sorted is two different things. Sorted will create the new list. .sort will modify the original list. .sort is a method which will modify the original list, and sorted is a thing which will just create new list from the pre-existing list. Here what we have, key equals to lambda. Lambda means a function without the name, and what parameter to consider? The second parameter. The dictionary will be having key and value. So key is the 0th parameter and value is the first parameter. So based on the first parameter, that is the value, we have to reverse it. Reverse equals to true means we have to change the item, we have to change the occurrence of all the letters. Means the higher the value, it will be on the top of that list. So we have to take, and what is this? This is list slicing. We have to take first 10 letters. Here we have skipped the first argument, that is because we have to include from the first 0 to 10. Means 0 to 9 it will include, 10 will be exclusive. This one means we have skipped this because it will be included from 0. Then freq.items will return all the key value pair from this dictionary. Within this, it is key lambda function will be operated for the second value item, value item, yes, then it is reverse equals to 0, means we just have to list all the thing in reverse order. They have asked to list all the thing in reverse order. You can check here, first occurrence sort the dictionary in the reverse order of the frequency and display the dictionary slice of the first 10 items. That line specifies everything, slice of the first 10 items. Then we just have to print within this top 10 will output us key comma value pair within the reverse order. Then here this loop is just to print all the dictionary, all the elements within that dictionary, that is key, that is word, and count, that is value in top 10. Print word colon the count. You can check the output here. See, apple has been appeared 3 times, banana has been appeared 2 times. So the more the count, it will be appearing on top. So because we have used reverse equals to true, if you have not used reverse equals to true, then this will be appearing first because it has the lower count. Jackfruit has been appeared 1 time, and sort unique 10 items means we have to give more than 10. So apple will be considered as 1. Likewise, we have to give more than 10. If you have given more than 10, then it will just display first 10 occurrences of those elements within this text file.